Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week, and today I'm so excited because we are going to make some paper buttons. Now I've done a video a while ago, but these buttons here, I bought a stamp set from Stampin' Up from eBay, and I love to play with this. So today I decide, let's go and make some paper buttons. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, happy Monday. Hope you had a fabulous weekend. Me and Jamie were off, so we had a fabulous weekend together. It don't happen very often, but only because we booked some holidays because we had a few days to take until the end of March, so we thought to extend a really nice long weekend. So right, today, as you guys know, I am addicted to bargains. No, I do like eBay shopping, but also I have an extensive and expensive collection of Stampin' Up stamps. Now this one is called Button. Guess why? Yeah, because it's full of buttons. So I got this second hand. I think I paid something really like £4.50, something really cheap. Always say to you guys, check on eBay, because a lot of Stampin' Up demonstrators sell the stamps when they retire, not just stamps, dies and paper and such. So eBay is a really good platform to get some bargains for Stampin' Up. I think this is really old because I'm not very knowledgeable of the Stampin' Up dies, but I remember this color here is quite old because I know they changed the font and everything. So but okay, so I was looking for some button stamps and this came up and I was like, yes please. So we're gonna make some buttons today. I already made a video about paper buttons not long ago, I think it was last year, when I basically used embossing folders to create texture buttons. I will put the link down below and at the end of the video so you guys can go and check it out if you wish to. But what I want to do today, because these buttons here, they've got different shapes, so it would be nice to create something slightly different, because the buttons I made previously were just all round using the 1-inch random punch. But these buttons here, they've got really they've got different designs, they've got different shapes, so we'll be interested to do something a bit different. So what am I going to do, and I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to try it first. I already made some sandwich papers, so I have used some scraps, things that I had in the craft room. So I got 3 layers here. I don't really know if you focus on my hand. So in here I got blue, purple and pink. So what you guys need to do, you need to do some sandwich so you get really thick buttons. You don't have to do it if you want thin bottoms, you just use that normal cardstock. But I took this opportunity to use up some scraps, some things that I made as a trial to see if it works. So I got some sandwich here. It just got different papers. I got some embossed, and I thought this as the back of the button would be quite interesting. So I got a few scraps. They were just literally experiments that I've done. And this is a great way to use up your scraps. So yeah, so also what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my kit. It's a new kit. It's called Beautiful Backgrounds, of course, because it's full of backgrounds. It's a huge kit. I will put the link down below if you guys want to purchase it, but you've got all basically different colors background. So this is the what do you call it? Oh god, it's a word that is not coming to my head, but you know, not baroque, you know what I'm saying, you know what I mean. So all different colors. So got green, olive green, burgundy, blue and gold. Love these. Just cream. Right, this way. This is cream. Probably you see as a grey, but it's cream and like a brownish. Burgundy, blue. Some of these are repeat. Love these. This is my favorite. You can make some really nice cards with this background. It's black. It reminds me like of tiles. Green, pink, and I think, yeah, some of these are repeat because I will probably use this kit quite a lot. Yeah, some of these are repeat. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just going to cut some of these. I'm just maybe gonna do like little squares because I don't want to waste, because I'm not gonna use all the entire sheet because I don't know if it's gonna work. But what am I gonna do? I'm going to stamp what I'm saying. I want to stamp these on that. My only concern is that some of these buttons here, for example, probably see better. This one, this one, this one, this one, and that one, they're fine. But this one has got a solid. So if I stamp in black, I think you're only going to see the black. So I don't know if I'm going to use those. I will probably use some of these on the outline. They're super tiny, little cute. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them because they are going to be super tiny to cut. So yeah, I will probably use some like this that is just an outline, so you will be able to see the paper. So I'm going to do some I'm going to have a little play. You don't need to see me playing, but yeah, that's the gist. So sandwich paper that you want to use, I'm going to glue that on top of that, and then stamps. Okay guys, so these are so fun to make, I must admit. So addictive. Right, I got some success, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and I got some fail. So what I'm going to say to you guys is it doesn't really work if your background is quite dark. So I have tried on this one, for example, you can see it's not visible. I also tried to use on embossed paper, and of course, because when you print on embossed, it's not really visible. So I suggest you print this. You can even use different color inks into either white cardstock or colorful plain background. Another trial was this one here. So you can't really see it, and I'll try it on the blue one there and on the black. You could probably could have done that, to be fair, because I could see it, but then I was quite super happy with those ones here. If I zoom out, you probably see all the buttons I have made. Yeah, that's it. So they're quite thick. But what I'm going to try to do is to lift these up. I don't know if it's going to work. In fact, am I going to zoom in? Sorry if I give you a headache. So these ones here, those 6 are the same shapes. Got blue, green, and just a plain. This is what I meant. I tried on a plain cardstock, and it works. So you can do this on a plain cardstock, and then I got 2 of those on the lighter background, which works really well. Love these. Then I've got those ones. They're so pretty, so pretty. And I got pink and green. Then I've got those ones here, which is blue and pink. Then I have those 2 here, which is exactly the same, one on a blue cardstock and one on that beigey cream cardstock there. Love them. Then I got this 6 one here. I love this design. This is probably my favorite design. You can go mental, because you can either which I'm probably going to do in another video, embossed with some embossing embossing powders, and do like a 3D effect. But also what I'm going to do, and I was thinking about this when I was fussy cutting them, if you use metallic background, so you can make metallic buttons, I think they will look quite cool. So I'll have a try, and then I might do a video actually, because I'm definitely going to use these stamps that I have forever. So I would definitely going to make some more. Look at them. So yeah, so that's what I made. Also, I was on Pinterest. No, that's there. So, and I'm trying to put it to group into family. So if I zoom out, so you got that's, you know, put it into groups. So as I was on Pinterest, I have found some cards. Now I have not designed those, so I can't sell them, of course, because they're not mine. But what am I going to do? And there are some websites there, so you can use as a reference, because you've got to if you sell these, you need to ask permission, of course, because they're copyrighted. But I put this together into one page, and I'm going to give this for free, because of course they're not mine. But what I thought will look nice if we put these buttons together and create some buttons card. So these are, now because I'm not going to use them as buttons, but I want to use them as a card, some embellishment cards, I'm going to cut them, glue the bottoms on top, and then I'll show you in just a moment. So let me show you what I've done. I think they're super cute. So this is one. Love them. I mean, I glued them because I'm just going to use a lot as an embellishment, but you can actually put the thread on the paper and store them like that. I think they're really pretty. I'm going to leave this for last because it's still a bit wet. This is probably my favorite. Super cute. Got two of the small ones. I've done like that because there were two pairs. I only made two of each. What do you guys think? Super cute. And I've got another one, big one. Oops, upside down. I love them. One more of the, that's a 4. This one here on the 6. And this one, just a bigger one, it's 12. What do you guys think? Let me know which one is your favorite. I mean, I do like them all. I think because they're all similar, of course, but they're also unique as well. So in case you want it, let me zoom out. I leave this paper here, just the PDF, on my website on the homepage. So if you guys want to download it, feel free to do so. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider leaving a big thumbs up. It's free, but it means a lot to me. And also, if you're not already, please click subscribe and a little bell so you get a notification every time I upload a video. Guys, I've done a while ago a similar project making buttons, but using embossing folders, so you can create more buttons using texture surfaces and punches, which is super simple to make. I will put the link down somewhere here on the screen, so if you guys wish to watch it, please feel free to do so. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Have a fabulous week, and until next time, stay safe and well.